They say that the first impression is never forgotten. But honestly, I don't know if this is precisely true. We all want to make a good impression, especially when starting a new job. That's why in today's video, we're going to talk about first impressions and how to achieve them. Take care of your physical appearance. Dressing up properly for the occasion, taking care of your hygiene, and walking with confidence can do wonders for the impressions you leave on people. Be punctual. It is appropriate to arrive 5 to 10 minutes before work time, not too long before and after to organize and carry out your work without a problem. Trust yourself. Confidence and high self-esteem convey an image to others that invite them to feel the same way about us. We teach them how we expect to be treated, and their perception is positive. Highlight your talents. Your experience, background, or knowledge is a big part of why you got the job, so don't hesitate to let your peers and leaders know what skills you have and what they can count on your talents. Give more of what they ask for. It is always pleasant and receive as good gesture when a person does more than people expect. Pay attention to your body language. For example, avoid crossing your arms, frowning, or anxiously move your legs while having those first conversations in your working relationships. This way, you can give a much more confident impression. Smile more. Smiles project friendliness. They invite people to feel comfortable around you, making it much easier for you to connect with someone and get along with your coworkers. Be positive. If we project positivity, optimism, and energy, this will be the nature of the point that marks our conversations and dealings in general with people in the new work environment. Be empathic. Knowing how to read the context of a situation, understanding and comprehending the feelings of a person in the face of an event are things that give a good impression of you and speak to the nature of your personality. Be yourself. It is essential that you do what feels natural to you, and that you are yourself in each circumstance. This shows, and when people feel comfortable around us, it is because we passed the first impression test. If this content was useful to you, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips for freelancers and information about freelancing jobs in Latin America. See you in the next video.